What's going on, guys? So today I'm going to show you guys the new workshop. As you know from my previous video, I just bought a house and it came with a barn that I'm going to make into a workshop. Hopefully I can kind of convert it into a garage. I'm going to show you guys. There's no electric in there, so it might not be like that good, but you should be able to tell what it is. Alright guys, so we're getting ready to go outside and go into the new workshop. I'll give you a little sneak peek of what it is. Like I said, it's just a barn and it's right there. Here's the smaller side. I'm gonna clean it out. I don't know if I'll be able to get a car in here or not. Probably not, but this will probably be like where I just store stuff. And then it does have a second floor, which we'll go up the ladder now. Alright, so we're upstairs now. It's got two windows over here, which they're not really windows, they just kind of fold open. Got the Titan sitting out there. My oldest, don't you have a YouTube channel?
Yeah, N Project Zorgo Michael.
What?
N Project Zorgo Michael.
Okay, check him out. He has a couple videos. But yeah, this is the second floor. I don't really know what I'm going to put up here yet, but there's some of the wiring. Like I said, there's electric out here, but it needs work before I go ahead and fire it up. And then there is a door up here. Not really sure why, but there is. That's the ladder we came up. Like I said, I'm gonna be doing some work out here this summer, fixing these holes, taking down that bee's nest, and yeah, just fixing stuff. There's the focus. Another thing I'm gonna have to do is fix this here door. There's no handle on the outside, which that's easy, but it also doesn't close all the way, so I'll have to cut some off the bottom and get that fixed. And this is the other side. This is the bigger of the two. This is probably where I'm going to try to put the focus. I don't know if my truck would fit here. I think it's too short. Like right there I can touch the ceiling, so I mean it's not really that tall, but there's workbenches over there, pretty little window, more holes, a light that don't work, and whoever lived here before me left me this awesome transmission that I have zero use for, and a fire extinguisher that might come in handy. But yeah, that's the barn. Oh, my son has an idea.
I wanted to put a zip line right there so it could slide down, but it's a little too small.
He wants a zip line from the windows right there down. I don't think that's a good idea, but hey,
You can do it on the other side.
comment if you think that's a good idea. Let me know, yes or no. Guys, that's gonna do it for this upload. If you like the content, give it a big thumbs up, and subscribe to my son. What's your channel again?
N Project Zorgo Michael.
I'll also put that in the description, and do like I always do with my Instagram, which is @justanother_car dude. Thanks and have a good day.